Hey guys, Mubarak here from InPenny Stock. Hope you're doing well. In this video I want to go over another question I get pretty often, which is how to trade at the market close. Alright, this is near the end of the day, 3 o'clock, 3:30 p.m. EST, and this is when you're about to end the day, you're about to end the trading position, and a lot of people try to think about what route they should take. Should they hold their stocks? Should they take their profits if it's a small amount and not what they expected? If they're in a losing position, should they sell? So there's a lot of different thoughts that go through your mind when you're ending the market close. And so I wanted to go specific into some strategies on what to do at that time. So let's break it up into whether you're going long or short. If you're going long on a stock, what you need to keep in mind is that it's okay for you to be able to know that you have to maybe close out your stock position. Because what happens is that in penny stocks, a lot of news and a lot of forum talk happens in the nighttime, right? Overnight, after the market close, people get online, people come home from work and they get onto the forums and they start talking about stocks and they talking about hype and all the manipulation and the pump and dumps. Furthermore, for penny stocks, OTC BV stocks, pink sheets, it could be that if there's a huge pump and dump going on, the SECs could start getting involved. You know, they could start filing the civil lawsuits that you see every couple of days on pump and dumps. They could even freeze the stock. So I would recommend that if you're going to go long, you should definitely be careful and you should close out your stock position. Depending on if you don't have the right strategy and you feel like you're not sure what to do, the safest method is to close it out, sell your stocks. That way you can rest easy and get in the next trading day fresh with the new portfolio. If you're shorting, I would recommend holding overnight. And the reason for that is because when you're shorting, the whole strategy is the stock to go as low as possible. You're betting against the success of the stock. So when you're shorting, if they're in the middle of a pump and dump and it's on the downward trend, what's probably going to happen is people are going to review their portfolio, review their trade when they come home from work and see that the stock has been going down. They're going to get on the forums, they're going to get on the news, they're going to see all the bad press releases going on about the pump and dump. And this has been happening every couple of days for years and years. This is always a pattern with these shorting aspects of the pump and dump. As soon as it's reached its peak and it's going down and it crashes through its level of support that it had, that you find through the technical analysis that you'll do, if it crashes through that, it's going to start crashing fully and the dump portion of the pump and dump is going to happen. So if you're shorting, I would recommend that it's okay to hold the position because it's just going to go further down when the market opens again the next day. So I hope that helps. Those were my general recommendations. Again, overall, it's all specific on the stock itself, but if you're not sure what to do at the end of the day, those are my strategies for both going long and short. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to have any more questions or you want to contact me, email me at admin, ADMIN, @inpennystock.com. Also, definitely text the word stocks, STOCKS, to the number 44222, and that'll automatically subscribe you to our free web series on how to get started trading today. Hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.